Rupal Agarwal. Okay, Rupal. So tell us something about yourself, Rupal.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving the opportunity for telling me something about myself. Myself, Rupal Agarwal. I have just qualified my CMA final examination. I'm with all the exemption in all the subjects. I'm doing graduate. I done my graduation from Rajasthan University. I've done schooling from Maheshwari Girls Junior Secondary School. Apart from the academics, I go to my articleship experience. I done articleship for 12 months in Balaji Trading Company and 15 months articleship in MKSR Instrumentation and Electricals Limited, where I get exposed to accounting, GST returns, ITR returns, and data management. I also done due diligence audit of the Yes Bank for 10 days. Apart from all these articleship experience, I have loved to do sketching.
Okay.
And that's all from my side.
You have any interview or something after this?
No, sir.
You are looking in a bit hurry form.
Sorry, sir.
What is the role of NCLT?
NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal.
Be calm, be comfortable. Just take your time.
Just the role of NCLT, not the full form.
NCLT can make laws and rules regarding
Okay, then what Ministry of Corporate Affairs do?
Ministry of Corporate Affairs can make all the rules and regulations and also issue some circulars related to all the laws that can be regulated in our country.
Okay, then what is the role of NCLT?
NCLT is a hierarchy
Okay.
that can issue, solve the grievances that can be done in any law.
And anything else you want to say about that? About the NCLT role?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Rupal, you're investing in share market, for example, and you've earned in few transactions you've earned short-term capital gains, and in few you have earned long-term. So can you explain me the income tax, how the income tax will be calculated, what are the percentages, and what is the provisions in all?
Okay. If I should invest in share market, and if I get long term capital gain, like in share market, if we invest for more than 12 months and I get long term capital gain, then it will be charged at the rate of 15%.
Okay.
And in the case of short term capital gain for less than 12 months, it will charge 10% in some cases and 15% in some cases.
Short-term capital gain 10%. Are you sure? The long-term capital gain is more and the short-term capital gain is less.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Okay, Rupal, please tell me which subject you like the most in your academics.
In academics, I love costing and GST.
Costing and GST. So, I am giving a costing case study. Could you please solve it?
Okay.
There is a term in marginal costing, MOS, margin of safety.
Yes.
So, on the basis of margin of safety, what kind of decision you will take?
Margin of safety is generally a difference between break-even sales and actual sales.
Okay.
And actual break-even sales is that position where we are at a position where in which there is a no profit and low loss situation.
Okay.
So this is a this difference tells margin of safety tells that we are not at that position we earn so much profit,
Okay.
but we are not at position there is no profit. So we can take decision between them. Like we have not much more profit, but we have profits.
Okay. So there is two terms in the costing: cost reduction and cost control.
Yes.
What are the basic difference between two terms?
So cost control and cost reduction. Cost control is generally for a particular unit of a particular product. Like cost reduction means reducing the cost, overall reducing of cost, like price of the product. And cost control, controlling the cost per unit cost of input.
No, it's not like that. Cost control and cost reduction both are the two different phenomena. Cost control means you have performed your work within the specified limit that is assigned by the management of the company. And cost reduction means you will reduce your limits, you will challenge your standards.
Okay.
So this definition must be corrected. आप जाके थोड़ा सा देखिएगा इसको.
Okay, sir. Sure. Sorry, sir.
आपके स्किल्स के अंदर you have mentioned you have basic knowledge of SAP FICO.
Sir, I have done certification course from ICMAI, so I only have some theoretical knowledge about SAP FICO, not a practical exposure about that.
So tell me the theoretical knowledge about SAP FICO.
SAP FICO is an enterprise resource management software which can be worked as on a centralized level and can be linked all the business information. Like if we put entry in one software at one place, then that can be shown in everywhere at centralized
It's
level.
done the same in Tele itself. Then why SAP?
It is a centralized software and provide many features like enterprise resource
What is the full form of SAP? Full form of FICO? Okay.
Okay, so Rupal, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
So I want to after 5 years I want to do a teamwork. I want to in a managerial position that I can lead with number of peoples in next 5 years.
What is the minimum penalty in no fraud cases under GST?
And no fraud cases.
Non-fraud cases.
Okay, so in the personal attributes, you've written that you are goal oriented. So can you name 3 goals which you see achieving in the next 3 months?
The first goal that I want to achieve to get a good job in good company. The second goal I want to achieve that I want to learn technical skills. Like I'm not good at SAP, so I want to learn more about SAP and more about all the technical aspects. And the third goal I want to achieve, I want to inculcate in all the intellectual skills which I have been weak in.
Which skills?
Intellectual skills.
Interaction skills.
Intellectual skills.
Intellectual skills,
Like I'm not good at public speaking. Somewhat I'm working on it, but I want to improve it.
So what you will be doing in the next 3 months then? Have you joined somewhere or you will be joining somewhere? Where?
Yes, of course. Before joining the organization or before something, I joined some course like I want to participate in public speaking, and I joined many courses like public speaking courses and personal development courses to develop overall personality.
Company is hiring motor vehicle for commuting its director. Whether ITC can be availed on such services?
Motor vehicles for?
Hiring of motor vehicle for commuting its directors. Can ITC be
Yes,
availed?
ITC can be claimed on that.
Okay. What is the interest rate on late payment of GST?
Only 30%.
30%. Okay.
Tell me something about CSR.
CSR in CSR 2% can be charged on average net profit of the last 3 years.
It is choiceable.
No, it is compulsory to charge for the particular companies like whose turnover is more than or equals to 1,000 crore, or its profit is 500 crore, and net profit.
Net profit is 5 crores.
5 crores.
Turnover is 1,000 crores.
1,000.
And one more provision.
It's
Net worth is 500 crore.
my net worth is 500.
Is it all the criteria are required to be fulfilled or any one?
Any one criteria should be.
And once it applies, will it apply forever in their life or for that particular year itself?
For particular year itself, not for the life.
Okay. You need to improve that.
Okay, Rupal, you did your intern from the Balaji Trading Company.
Yes.
So please tell us about the this business organization, Balaji Trading Company.
Yes, sir. This Balaji Trading Company is doing a business of wood furnishing.
Okay.
Like they are doing seasoning of the wood. They can export or import the goods and do furnished do seasoning of these of wood, and also export or import to the local buyers and make according to their demands and make furniture.
So you have mentioned that you did accounting entries of day-to-day transactions.
Yes, sir.
So suppose this Balaji Trading Company purchased 1 lakh rupees wood. Is GST applicable on the purchasing of wood?
Yes, sir.
At what percent?
At 18%.
18%. So what will be the journal entry for purchasing the goods with GST?
Purchase account debit,
Okay.
CGST or SGST account debit to particular vendor
Vendor account.
account.
So this Balaji Trading Company have a registration number under GST or not?
Yes, sir. They have registered on the GST.
Okay, last question from my side.
Yes, sir.
There is a you have mentioned MKSR Electrical and Instrumental Private Limited.
Yes, sir.
So you have done data management.
Yes, sir.
What is the data management?
So data management, in data management, we can calculate the cycles where when the data should pay, when the money from debtors can receive. All the records can be checked we can accounting in debtors, or we can check with cross entry with the accounting records, and from the payment details we can receive from debtors.
Okay. And what are the financial statement required to prepare by the private limited company?
Balance sheet, P&L, cash flow statements,
In which format?
and Schedule 3 format.
Okay.
Your nails are not clean. Don't you believe in personal hygiene?
Yes, ma'am, I can believe in personal hygiene.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you. अरे रूपल इतनी नर्वस क्यों हो रही हो?
मैम पता नहीं, बहुत डर लग रहा है।
सब उल्टा उल्टा
सब उल्टा उल्टा निकल रहा है।
सनी सर को देख के सबको डर लगता है।
मतलब बहुत डर लग रहा था, अजीब सा डर लग रहा था, कुछ निकल ही नहीं रहा था मुझसे।
तो ये नर्वसनेस दूर करनी है।
यार ये सब सेफ फी को लेकर किसी को कुछ पता ही नहीं है,
अभी इसका एक सेशन करवाएंगे अभी इसका सेशन।
क्योंकि ये अगर एक भी टेक्निकल बंदा आ गया तो मुझे तो लगता है ये लोग, इसने कम से कम बेसिक नॉलेज लिखे, उसने तो सेफ फी को उसने भी काम नहीं किया था, तो उसको इंसल्ट करने का मुझे मन नहीं हो रहा था।
बेसिक नॉलेज लिखा है तो इसने कवर अप तो भी ठीक कर लिया।
नहीं, सेफ का फुल फॉर्म ही नहीं मालूम।
हाँ, ये तो आना चाहिए था आपको।
एक्चुअली जैसे प्रियांश ने तो फिको में काम किया हुआ है, अगर आप उससे पूछोगे तो वो एंट्री नंबर
बता
मतलब
देगा।
बताएगा जो कमांड्स
अच्छा, काम
होते हैं।
किया है।
हाँ, उसने आईओसी में एसएपी पे ही काम किया।
तो फिर ठीक है। फिर
और थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज में फुल फॉर्म तो पता होनी चाहिए।
मैम,
और सर्टिफिकेट भी है इसके पास, इसके पास सर्टिफिकेट है, सर्टिफाइड कोर्स ऑफ सेफ फीको पावर यूजर।
थोड़ा सा और मेहनत करनी है, थोड़ा सा नर्वसनेस की वजह से कुछ
और
भी
जीएसटी
ज़्यादा-
आप खुद बोल रहे हो, नॉन फ्रॉड केसेस में मिनिमम पेनल्टी 0 होती है। लेट पेमेंट ऑफ जीएसटी पे 18% इंटरेस्ट लगता है, 30% नहीं लगता है। और कंपनी मोटर व्हीकल हायरिंग लेती है फॉर कम्यूटिंग इट्स डायरेक्ट आईटीसी नहीं मिलती है।
सीएसआर भी गलत हुआ।
एनसीएलटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अथॉरिटी है अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स।
So Rupal, tell me something about yourself. My name is Rupal. समझ आया?
और ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे ट्रेन छूट रही है, मेरे को सब कुछ ही बताना है, एकदम बेसिक कूल काम। आपका क्या तो छूट रहा था, कुछ भी नहीं छूट रहा था, पर आपने एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज बताने लगे, उसकी तो जरूरत ही नहीं होती है। आप नॉर्मली जब बता रहे हो टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ, तो आप
फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के बारे में बताओ, खुद के बारे में बताओ।